Hey everyone, it is April 14th, which means we are close to our monthly catch-up on Barratt Lake Estates. Sean Elliott here with the Grisak Group, and I'm in the room with Steve DiNapoli, our developer. And instead of sending out an email update this month, I figured Steve's here, we were already talking about the project. I figured it'd be nice for him to kind of catch up on what's going on out at Barratt Lake and what's coming next as we get closer to the finish line. Steve?
Folks, first let me thank you for your patience. This has been a long, hard experience. Now, in big term, normally a development takes 18 to 24 months. We're only in it to the turn of about 18 months, but we're behind schedule, what we said. Thank you for your patience. We will be completing the water mid next week, and then the pavers are set to come on. The entry feature, including the water fountains, and that will also be starting construction next week. So nice. We have really turned the corner, and we are really making good strides on getting this thing wrapped up.
And one of the things that's real important, once the pavers start, how long are we looking at for roads to be in?
4 to 6 weeks. They say 4 weeks at a minimum, 6 weeks at a maximum. Okay. So if they come in next week, that would be late, mid-April, so maybe mid-May, which means we get things wrapped up in June if we're lucky.
And that's the thing that I think is the next step. To get the final plat, we obviously have to go back to P&Z and just get it stamped and approved. And Lucas has their meetings the second Thursday of the month?
Second Thursday of the month for Planning and Zoning Commission.
Got it. So we're going to be shooting for that second Thursday in June. That is certainly the goal. And then at that point, once we're filed, then we're ready to start closing lots. If for whatever reason with weather or the roads take a little bit longer, then we're doing P&Z in July.
That's correct.
Okay.
Now I do want to offer an opportunity to y'all. Sean and I and Aaron, we are the 3 members of the Architecture Review Committee. We have already started meeting with the homeowners and their builders. We are reviewing plans and we'll have preliminary approval letters out. If you in fact are that far down the road, I encourage you to call Sean and bring them to us. We'll jump on it and get it done and reduce the number of unknowns that you are facing.
That's a great point because, in this time that we have, at least 3 residents have already sat down and talked with us and we're going through the design process. So when the lot is able to be delivered, they're already pretty ahead of the game. So,
yeah.
Okay, cool. Anything else?
No, just all again, right. Thank you for your patience. I can't thank you enough. You're great.
Thanks, guys. We appreciate it. Let me know if you need anything. Give us a shout for any questions you have, and we'll hit you up next month, and we'll tell you where we're at. Hopefully, we'll have some nice pictures of some roads in there for you, or at least the beginning of it. Okay. Thanks, guys.